going? Welcome back to the Minimalist Challenge series. Today is a very exciting day because today I am talking about how to create a capsule wardrobe. This is an exciting video because I get asked about capsule wardrobes a lot. Is there something in my tea? So the term capsule wardrobe has been floating around in the minimalism space quite a lot because it's a minimalist thing, so that makes sense. I think the term capsule wardrobe has gotten a bit confused lately because a lot of people have different ideas of what a capsule wardrobe is, and so I took the liberty of looking it up just for you guys. The capsule wardrobe was originally a term coined in the 1970s by Susie Fox. She declared it as a wardrobe containing a few timeless and essential pieces such as pants, skirts, and tops that can be supplemented with seasonal items. The capsule wardrobe is really handy in that it will help you declutter your wardrobe and figure out what you actually need. So today we're going to talk about the capsule wardrobe. I'm going to show you guys my capsule wardrobe. It's going to get wild, it's going to be fun, so settle in, grab your tea, let's get into it. First thing I want to say about the capsule wardrobe is that your capsule wardrobe does not have to be like everyone else's. No. You can make your capsule wardrobe your style, whatever you like. A really good example of a capsule wardrobe that I personally love and really shows off personal style is a video that Taylor Nicole recently uploaded. Love that girl. She has such cute style and she recently uploaded her capsule wardrobe. I will link to her video in the description box down below if you want to watch hers after mine, of course. Try to get most of my clothing from thrift stores, as I said in the video yesterday from Decluttering Your Closet. I'll link it up here. I highly recommend watching The True Cost. I will link it down below in the description box. We're linking to a lot of things here. I highly recommend watching that documentary about fast fashion and the fast fashion industry and how it is affecting our planet. It's important to know these things because you can't make a change and save the world if you don't know how to do it, right? So yeah, just go watch that. Now let's get on with my capsule wardrobe. Okay, first for the basics, this is my white camisole. I have one of these and I use the same one to wear underneath all of my sweaters and shirts that need an undershirt. Next I have my Young, Wild and Cruelty Free shirt from In the Soul Shine. This is like the vegan shirt that I always wanted and I really like the shirt. It's so comfortable and I wear it to bed a lot and I'll wear it out and about just in a normal day. Next I have the classic hole shirt. I wear this in a lot of my videos and it's one of my favorite shirts. It has holes all over it, that's why I call it the hole shirt, obviously. Had this for a few years. I actually bought it in Barcelona when I was there about 2.5 years ago and I absolutely love it. It's really comfortable. I think it's really cute. It's a flattering color. It fits me well and I just really like it. Next, I have the Batwing Gray sweater here. This is another one of my favorite pieces for the warm weather or the cold weather. I absolutely love this sweater. I think it's really cute. It's fashionable, but it's also really warm and cozy. I think it's just a really cute thing to wear in the winter or for colder weather, and it's just really comfortable and it's really cozy and I really like it. So next I have just a plain gray shirt. As you can tell, gray is one of my favorite colors. This is just a plain basic gray shirt. I've had this shirt for so long I can't even remember when I bought it, but I know it's from Target. I've had this for probably at least 3 to 4 years because I don't wear cold weather clothing a lot. My cold weather clothing tends to last for quite a while, so I've had this. It's still going strong after quite some time. There are no holes or anything in it. I just recently realized that you can completely see through it, so in the past I've worn it with just a bra underneath it, but now I'll definitely always wear it with my little white camisole. These are my jeans that I wear. I seriously wear the same pair of jeans every day. I have literally one pair of jeans because I love these jeans. They fit me well. And to be honest, I don't wear jeans most of the time. I'll usually wear like active wear, so that works for me. Next, I have a blue shirt. This is a really, really old shirt as well. Like, I bought this when I got my first real job, which was like a really long time ago. And I really like this shirt. It's really comfortable. The fabric is just really like chill and soft, and it works really well for when there's actually warm weather in Sydney during the winter. So really love that. I think it's really cute as well. Then we have my gray plain sweater. This is just like a long sleeve gray sweater. I bought this from a secondhand shop last year in Australia, and I love that as well. And then we have the classic black tank top. Everyone probably owns a black tank top. This is my favorite one. I really like that it actually is longer in the front so that I can tie it up into a little knot if I want to. Next we have sweaters. This is just a cream colored 3/4 sleeve sweater that I've had also for a really, really long time. I bought this when I was going to Europe, or maybe even before that, so I've had this for at least a few years. I really, really love this sweater. I think it works for like any occasion pretty much, and it's also really warm and comfortable, and it works really well as a layering piece. So I like to wear that under jackets or just by itself. Next, we have the classic yellow sweater. This is one of my favorite sweaters because it's really big, it's comfortable, it's super, super soft. I bought this when I was going to Europe as well because I went there during the summer. I mean, during the winter about 2.5 years ago, maybe 3 years ago now, and I absolutely love this sweater. When I feel like wearing something colorful, I definitely will wear this one. Just totally love that. Side note, I have these leggings that I do sometimes wear, or I did until they got this hole in the butt. So I have these and I'm planning on just sewing that back up, and I'll continue wearing those once I get that finished. Now for outerwear, I have a couple sweaters for different situations. This is a gray fuzzy sweater by North Face. I've had this for so many years and it's held strong. I absolutely love it. It's really, really soft. People often tell me I feel like a chinchilla when I wear this, which is definitely a win in my book because I freaking love chinchillas. They're so soft. It's definitely very, very warm and cozy. I absolutely love this sweater, and I think it's one of the warmest things I have. Totally wear this all the time. This is my black packable jacket. I bought this secondhand in San Francisco, and it actually crunches up so small that I can fit it into my purse, even with my camera inside of it. It goes so small. So that's like perfect for when the weather's really sketchy and it will be hot and cold at the same time. So then I can just pull that out, put it on, and if it gets really hot, I can just scrunch it up and put it back in my purse. So this has been so valuable for traveling. Can roll up into my suitcase or into a bag, and when I'm traveling in a hot country, I'm obviously not going to be wearing this all the time. So this has been so, so helpful. I really love zipper pockets as well. Really, really easy. And like I said, even though this is down and I don't typically use animal products, I bought this secondhand in San Francisco. Next is my big winter jacket. So this is for the days when it's really, really cold outside. I had to buy this when I was in Europe for the winter because when I was there, the jacket that I brought was not even warm enough. I was really not prepared for that at all. And you know, I'm from California, so I'm not used to that cold of weather, but this jacket did the job in Europe. It's so warm, it's padded inside, and I just really love this jacket. I bought this jacket at Zara about 2 years ago, like I said, and the zipper is not really working so well anymore. It did when I first got it, but it has worked so far, and I still continue to use it because I love it. I also wanted to quickly mention these are my activewear pants that I recently bought from Dharma Bums, which is an ethical, sustainable yoga pant company, and I absolutely love these. To be honest, I wear these most of the time because I go to Bikram yoga about 4 days a week, And so I usually would just wear these during the day when I'm editing videos or whatever and cleaning, and then I just wear them to yoga and then come home and put on my pajamas. So most days I'm actually just wearing this, and I absolutely love them. I wear these every single time to Bikram because they're just the highest quality pants I own, and I definitely want to buy another pair. They're pretty expensive, to be honest, but I absolutely love them, and they're like the best activewear I've ever owned. Like, this is not sponsored at all. I just absolutely love these pants, as you can probably tell by this little dance here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the videos from this series. Make sure to hit the bell button notification, so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video in this series. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye!